They say heavy is the head that wears the crown. But in the PC building world, usually heavy is just a really well-built case, and typically my back hurting after lifting it. Today we're unboxing Royalty. I've built in this chassis twice before, but does the Montech King 95 Pro actually deserve the throne? Or is it just another court jester in a fancy glass fishbowl outfit? Let's find out. Welcome back to the Pixel Pub. If you've been watching my channel recently, you might have seen the live stream where I was building Too Dark to Dream's PC in this exact case. Or maybe a while ago, we also put CloudShot's streaming rig into one of these as well. I for sure am a fan of this case, and last I've heard from both of them, they are too. This is the Montech King 95 Pro in the pure white finish. Now, unboxing a case might seem pretty straightforward, but I do want to show you exactly what you're going to be getting with this, all of the extras that come with it, the versatility that it offers, and where you can stuff all of those darn cables in the back of the case to actually make it look good. And then hopefully you'll be able to decide if this is the right case for you or not. I mentioned earlier that I've used this platform for CloudShot and Too Dark to Dream. Their builds were both very distinct systems with their own personalities, but they did share one common denominator. The building experience with both of them was incredibly smooth. But why exactly? Is it just because this case is big, or is it how the space is utilized? Now, part of it is how easily this case can come apart. The top panel pops off seamlessly, and the side panel is held snugly in with a single thumb screw, and then some more of those same ball and hand kind of clasp. Now, just like that, the case is entirely open with plenty of space to fit almost any component that you would want, with plenty of room to spare for a screwdriver and these meaty mitts that I've got. Not to mention 6 pre-installed ARGB fans? Definitely a selling point for me. Now on the back side, we've got this really nice cable management door that helps hide, manage your cables. It does have 2 screws on it, meaning it's a little bit more time consuming to get back there if you're needing to swap a cable out. It's a lot more time consuming than just popping off the panel and getting back there, but a little of extra hold is probably a good thing for some of you. I've seen how some of you cable manage. You also have the built-in RGB controller for all of those fans, already very nicely cable managed for you. As well as you've got plenty of room for the power supply, extra hard drives, and a whole lot of smash your cables into this area and it'll be fine kind of space. So that's the case in a nutshell, but not where the fun ends. The King 95 Pro also comes with an entire tackle box of extra screws, nuts, Velcro, and other odds and ends that you might need while building in this case. In the accessory box, you also are getting a hard drive mounting tray, as well as an included alternate mesh front panel. If you either just really like the way that it looks, or you want that much more airflow coming through the case, mesh front that panel up. After unboxing the King 95 Pro and recalling my time with CloudShot and Too Dark to Dream builds, I have to say the physical footprint of this case isn't massive, but the internal space is optimized really well. The curved glass might just be a gimmick, but I really like it. And obviously that's my personal opinion, but you're watching my video, so I'm gonna give you my opinion. If you are looking for a case that is easy to build in, supports a ton of storage, and looks incredible in its multiple colorways, I highly recommend the Montech King 95 Pro. It takes the stress out of the building process, and honestly, that is worth the price of admission alone. Make sure that you go check out both CloudShot and Too Dark to Dream's channels I'll link them both below in the description, but if you want to see what it's actually like to build in this case, make sure you go check out the full build live stream that we did right over here on your screen right now. We'll see you over there. Cheers.